In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Notion with Excel. The first thing you need to do is click the Add icon in Notion to add a new page. Next, in the empty field at the top, type in your page name to your Excel file and click Share. You'll find this at the upper right side of Excel. Click Copy Link. Then, go back to Notion and paste the link into the empty field on your page. When the menu appears, select Preview. And that's it! By following these steps, you can effectively integrate Notion with Excel, allowing for seamless data management and improved productivity across both platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.